Do you want to improve water holding capacity and porosity of soil so plants get enough oxygen and nutrients for its growth? Do you want to promote strong root growth? Do you want to grow your seedlings quickly? Do you want your pots to be of lightweight? Then use Utkarsh Vermiculite as potting soil for growing saplings and as a good soilless media. Vermiculite is far superior in water retention compared to perlite and is preferred for water-loving plants and for arranging flowers. However, perlite will help drain the excess water away. So both have their own place in gardening, but they are not interchangeable. You can use Utkarsh vermiculite alone or by mixing with vermicompost, perlite, cocopeat, neem cake, castor cake, biocompost, etc. Vermiculite is a hydrated laminar mineral, aluminum, iron, magnesium silicate, and is processed with massive heat. It will not rot, deteriorate, or mold, and is enduring, odorless, non-toxic, sterile material.